it's your girl Ashlyn. I'm back to do another video, and first things first, let me say happy new year to each and every single one of you. I hope that the new year brings you lots of love, happiness, success, and prosperity, all in abundance. So this video is going to be my 2016 YouTube goals and the things I hope to accomplish in the new year and going forward and stuff like that. So first thing, I guess I'll talk about subscriber count. I'm hoping that by the end of this year I can have 10,000 subscribers, and like right now I have about 550, so it seems like it's so far away. Like 10,000 seems like it's so far, but there are people who will do YouTube for a year and will have like 100,000. So I mean, I feel like it is possible, and sometimes you just gotta speak things into existence. So yeah, I'm hoping that I can end off the year with 10,000 subscribers. But to all of you who are currently subscribed to my channel, whether you recently subscribed or you were subscribed from before, thank you guys so much. It feels so good to know that there are so many of you who are out there who enjoy watching my videos, and those of you who leave comments and follow me on Snapchat and send me snaps and everything like that. It honestly feels so good to know that you guys enjoy my content and like to, you know, interact and communicate with me, because I absolutely love to communicate with you guys. So thank you guys so much. It means the world to me. Something else I hope to achieve this year is working with different brands. I'm hoping that I can work with different companies in promoting their products and things like that, whether it be hair or cosmetics or, you know, maybe baby products, since I just had a baby or things like that. I'm hoping that a company will see me as an asset to their, you know, growing business, and hopefully I can bring them customers, or at least get them kind of out there so that other people can hear about them. So yeah, that's what I'm kind of hoping. Right now I have been, you know, interacting with a few companies who have shown interest in working with me, whether it's in jewelry or hair. So I'm hoping that that continues throughout the year, and then I get some more, you know, brand deals and sponsorships and all that good stuff. So yeah, those are my goals for this year. I guess I can talk a little bit about my personal goals also. I'm hoping that in this new year I become more financially stable. Of course, you want to be financially stable, and there's always room for improvement when it comes to, you know, finances. So I'm hoping I will be in a better financial situation. I also hope to become a better wife in the new year also. If you guys didn't know, I am married, and I also hope to be a better mom also, because, you know, I just want to be the best mom I can be. I'm pretty much just gonna be working on myself and making myself a better person than I was last year, because, you know, there's always room for improvement and stuff like that. So yes, if you guys are also YouTubers, then definitely comment down below what your YouTube goals are, because, you know, you got to speak it into existence. So you guys let me know down below what your goals are and what you guys hope to achieve. And if you like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I have another upload. Bye.